Hello, in this video, I will walk you through the AIM CFL template using the Excel format. This is the standardized template we need you and your customers to use in order for it to be accepted by the AIM system. This is our AIM's Excel template. The format of this template is very important. Each cell is mapped. Cell mapping means that every cell in this template is placed for a specific reason. Each cell has a job, like holding important data or connecting to other cells. Changing the layout can break how the sheet works and will lead to a failed AIMS upload. The template consists of two main sections. The Master Airway Bill section, or manifest, this is at the top. The Consignment section, or House Way Bill, this is down at the bottom. Let's start by completing the Master section together. Shipper information. From and to fields represent the shipper and the consignee. Example, shipper, arrow, example limited. Address fields marked with a star are mandatory. If a field is not required and does not have a star, you can leave it blank. Address fields. Address line 1 is required. Address line 2 is optional. City is required. County state is not required. Delete if not applicable. Postal code is required. Country code is not required, but we will provide it, e.g. AE for UAE. Telephone is not required, but we will provide a number. Email is not required, but we will provide an example. Receiver information, name is mandatory. Address line 1 is required. Address line 2 is optional, but we will include it. City is required. State county is not required, but we will include it. Postcode is required. Country code is not required. Telephone and email are not required, but we will provide them if available. Manifest and flight details. Manifest number. This is for internal use. You can fill it in or leave it blank. Flight number. This is not required, but we will provide an example. Date. Enter the flight date. Waybill number. This is required. House waybill number. Required only if the shipment is consolidated. Master bill of origin. This is not the flight origin. It refers to where the master shipment originated. Example, the flight departs from Dubai to Los Angeles, but the master shipment originated from Delhi. Destination airport code. Use the 3-letter airport code, e.g. LHR. Total bags on manifest. Enter the number of bags. Total weight. Enter the total weight. Value type. This is for internal use. Now let's complete the consignment section. You may see that many headers in this section have an asterisk, indicating that these sections are required. It is important that the format is not altered in any way. If you do not have the information and it is not a required field, please leave it blank. The consignment section includes serial number. This increments for each consignment, 1, 2, 3, etc. This is not required, but helps keep each consignment separated. Consignment number. This is a unique identifier for the consignment. This is required. Pieces are required. Weight is required. Consignor details. Name is required. Address line 1 is required. Address line 2 is not required. City is required. County or state is not required. Postcode is required. Country code must be in ISO 3166 format, e.g. AE for the UAE. Email and telephone are optional but can be provided. Now on to the consignee details. Consignee name. Address line 1. Address line 2 is not required. City, county or state is not required. Postcode. Country code GB, remembering to use the ISO 3166 format. Email is not required. Telephone is not required, but we have it available. A description is required. You can enter all your description information in a single cell or spread it across the 10 available rows. However, please do not exceed the 10 rows provided. A value is required. Please enter the amount without a currency symbol, e.g., pound symbol. Currency is required. Please provide this in the ISO 4217 format. Bag numbers are required. Each bag must be listed separately, separated by commas. Correct format, bag 1, bag 2, bag 3. Incorrect format, bag 1, 2, 3, or bag 2, 2, 3. Service info is optional and provided for your use if needed. If you need more consignment sections, you must select the full consignment section, which consists of 10 rows. Copy them, then select Insert Copied Cells and choose Shift Cells Down. You must copy and paste all 10 rows. Failure to do so will result in an upload failure. Please be aware that the CFL AIMS template consists of 3 sheets. The first sheet is the actual manifest. The second sheet contains data elements and serves as a reference, offering details about field names, data types, descriptions, mandatory status, examples, related fields, and additional notes. This sheet is useful if you need clarification on any cells in the manifest. The third sheet is dedicated to version control, providing information on the current version and any modifications made. Thank you for your time. If you have any questions, please contact IT support at cfl.aero and we will be happy to assist.